Because these three circles are tangent, it means they touch each other, at one point. So we know there's not any space in between them. And this radius of the little one, I know this kind of looks like a face right now. I can't stop seeing it. But we've got this little radius is 5. So we could find the area of these little circles pretty easily. They'd all be 25 pi because you just do 5 squared times pi. So that'd be these white circles, but we don't really want those. The best way to do this is kind of split this in half, right down there, and actually find the area of the whole circle and then subtract off some things. So the area of the entire circle, if this is 5 and this is 5, that means the radius of the big circle is 10. So we do 10 squared times pi, which is 100 pi. That's the area of the big circle, like the outer circle. Okay, now if we subtract half of that, because we don't want this half, subtract half of that. So just keep it in terms of pi. Cut that in half. We get 50 pi. So this half, we just subtract it off. We're left with this semicircle is now also equal. They're both equal to 50 pi. Okay, now before we found this, the area of both of these little circles was 25 pi. And so, but I'm going to take half of each circle. But there's 2 of them. So if each circle was 25 pi, and I cut them both in half, I'm left with 25 pi, because this would be 12 and a half pi, and this would be 12 and a half pi. So together, those small semicircles add up to 25 pi. So in the end, I'm taking 50 pi, which is the semicircle, this whole thing, minus 25 pi, which is these 2 white semicircles. And I end up with 25 pi for just this shaded part. No, it's kind of confusing. I hope that helped. You can go back and rewatch the video again.